Have you ever wondered where you can find a glowing garden in the heart of a desert city? Welcome to Dubai Garden Glow, a shimmering gem tucked away amidst the towering skyscrapers of Dubai. This isn't just a garden, but a spectacle of lights that transforms the desert night into a radiant wonderland. Dubai Garden Glow sits proudly in Zabeel Park, a space known for its verdant landscapes and tranquil settings. But as the sun dips below the horizon, the park awakens into a vibrant display of luminescent artistry. What makes this place even more special is its unique concept as a glow-in-the-dark garden. Imagine a world where everything around you glows, from the towering trees to the crawling insects. But the garden isn't just about the spectacle. It's a manifestation of the city's commitment to environmental sustainability. Using eco-friendly and recyclable materials, it creates a dazzling display while promoting a message of conservation. Now, isn't that something you would like to know more about? Imagine stepping into a world where everything around you is glowing brightly in the night. This is not a dream, but the reality of the Dubai Garden Glow, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. As we begin our journey, we first find ourselves in the Glow Park. This zone is a feast for the eyes, filled with millions of energy-saving bulbs and yards of recycled luminous fabric. Here you're walking in a radiant wonderland, surrounded by glowing trees, shimmering flowers, and brilliantly lit skyscrapers. Next, we transition into a completely different era, the prehistoric age. Welcome to Dinosaur Park, home to over 100 life-size dinosaur replicas. As you wander among these colossal creatures, you'll feel as though you've stepped into a time machine. The park is not only a visual spectacle, but also an opportunity to learn about these magnificent beasts that once roamed our Earth. From the land of the dinosaurs, we move to the chill of the ice park. An unexpected delight in the heart of the desert, this zone is a testament to the ingenuity of design and the power of temperature control. Here you'll marvel at an array of ice sculptures, each more intricate than the last, all maintained at sub-zero temperatures. It's like stepping into a winter wonderland, a stark contrast to the warmth of Dubai. Finally, we come to the Magic Park. This is where the laws of nature bend and your sense of reality gets challenged. With interactive games and optical illusions, this zone is a fun-filled playground for both the young and the young at heart. It's a place to let your imagination run wild, to challenge your perceptions, and to be awed by the magic of light and color. So, as you can see, Dubai Garden Glow is not just about the lights. It's about the journey, the learning, and the magical experiences that await you. Remember, all these experiences are not just for fun, they are also educational. Are you ready to immerse yourself in a glowing spectacle of lights, colors, and creativity? Welcome to a world where artistry and innovation meet to create an unforgettable visual feast. Picture this: towering installations of light and color, creating an enchanting forest of glowing animals that seem to come alive in the dark. Every corner of Dubai Garden Glow is a testament to the power of imagination, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. But the magic doesn't stop there. Imagine strolling through a tunnel of shimmering lights that transport you to a different dimension, a place where fairy tales seem to come alive. As if that wasn't enough, the Garden Glow also hosts a myriad of live performances that will captivate your senses. From mesmerizing dance routines to awe-inspiring acrobatic feats, there's never a dull moment here. And let's not forget the international pavilions, each showcasing a different culture, further adding to the vibrant tapestry of experiences. This is not just a garden, it's a glowing world of wonders. How does one conclude such a radiant experience? Indeed, it's a challenge to encapsulate the brilliance of Dubai Garden Glow in mere words. This resplendent oasis, nestled in the heart of Dubai, is more than just a spectacle of lights. It's a testament to the city's commitment to environmental sustainability. Crafted from recyclable materials, the garden stands as a glowing symbol of eco-friendly innovation. Dubai Garden Glow is not just about the visuals, though. It offers a unique experience, a journey through glowing tunnels, vibrant gardens, and stunning installations that transport you to a world of fantasy. Each step in this glowing wonderland unveils a new surprise, a fresh burst of color and light that leaves you in awe. But it's not all about fun and games. The park also serves an educational purpose, teaching visitors about the importance of sustainability and the magic of the natural world. With its magical charm and illuminating allure, Dubai Garden Glow truly is a shining gem in the heart of Dubai.